Welcome to the SQL Station. Today we're diving into the world of relational databases. So, what is a relational database? A relational database is a type of database that organizes data into tables. Think of a table like a spreadsheet. It has rows and columns. For example, you might have a table called customers, where each row represents a customer and each column stores details like name, email, and phone number. Why relational? The relational part comes from the fact that these tables can relate to each other. Let's say we have another table called orders. Each order belongs to a customer, and instead of storing all the customer details like name, email, and phone number in the orders table, we simply reference the customer ID. This makes our database efficient and avoids duplication. So how does this help? Relational databases make it easy to organize, search, and update data. Let's say a customer has 200 orders, and later the customer changes their email address. Well, the email address gets updated in one place, the customer's table. So all of the related orders automatically reflect the change because of the relationship between the tables. Here are a few key terms to remember. Primary key, a unique identifier for each record in a table. For example, customer ID in the customer's table. Foreign key, a column in one table that links to a primary key in another table. For example, customer ID in the orders table. And relationships, the connections between tables like one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Let's actually break those down. A one-to-one relationship happens when a single record in one table is related to only one record in another table. For example, imagine you have a customers table with customer details and a separate customer profiles table that contains additional profile information for each customer, such as their preferences or status. In this case, each customer in the customers table will have exactly one matching profile in the customer profiles table, and each profile belongs to just one customer. On to the next. A one-to-many relationship is when one record in a table is related to multiple records in another table. In our example, one customer can place many orders. So, in the customers table, you would have a customer ID for each customer. And so, in the orders table, there would be multiple orders linked to the same customer ID. This means one customer can have many orders, but each order can only belong to one customer. And lastly, a many-to-many relationship occurs when multiple records in one table are related to multiple records in another. For example, a customer can order many products, and each product can be part of many orders. To manage this, you would need a third table, often called an order details table. The order details table would store both the order ID and product ID, linking specific products to specific orders. This allows the tracking of which products are in which orders and which orders contain which products. Wait, here's one more example that should make the relationship clearer. Imagine we have a teacher in their personal office space. Each teacher gets exactly one office, and each office belongs to exactly one teacher. This is a one-to-one relationship. Now, let's look at how a teacher relates to their classes. One teacher can teach multiple classes, but each class has only one main teacher. This is your classic one-to-many relationship. Finally, let's explore the relationship between students, teachers, and classes. A student can enroll in multiple classes, and each class can have multiple students, and a teacher can have more than one student, and students can have more than one teacher. These are many-to-many relationships. In the next video, I'll cover relationships between tables and show you examples. This will help crystallize everything we've discussed in this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section. My name is Rogan Richhart, and thank you for watching.